For this video, we're going to have a chat about sweeps. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sketch. In this video, and with this sketch, I'm going to put it on the front plane. I'm going to make a really simple object. But again, all I need is a closed contour object. I'm going to put some dimensions on it. And finish my sketch. So now I have a closed contour on my front plane. The key with doing a sweep is I need two sketches to complete the feature. The next step is to create a second sketch, and this time I'm going to put it on the top plane. It's really important that when I do this, I need to make sure that I choose the appropriate plane. I cannot complete the sweep if I have the sketch, both sketches on the same plane. It needs to be on one of the other planes. So in this case, I'm going to do the top plane, and I'm going to draw, in this case, a spline. I'm going to start from the origin as well. And I'm going to create something like this. Now, what do we notice? We've got sketch 1 and we've got sketch 2. Might I just note, I've just realized that I haven't created a component, so you'll see that in this version, the sketches are just all laying out in the tree here. For this example, it's not going to be an issue, but typically I want to always create that component first. So I've got two sketches sitting here, all right? In this case, you also want to make sure that your second sketch and your first sketch intersect each other. In this case, we can see they're both touching a point at the origin. What I want to do now is come across, come down to sweep, and we can see our dialog box has come up. For our sweep, the first thing we need to do is select our profile. And I'm going to do that now with my first sketch, the closed contour. I now want to select my path, which is our second sketch. You can see what Fusion is doing is it is essentially drawing our closed contour sketch along our path sketch. As with the other features, we've got a few options here. We can put some taper. If we run negative values, it'll run in the opposite direction. And we can also add twist. Note that it's twisting along that path reference line. It's not through the center. So if you wanted this to rotate centrally, this line would need to start in the center of that box, and then it would rotate around its central axis essentially. And again, we have the options of new body, join, cut, intersect, new component, etc. Okay? That is how we create a sweep.